Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 60i and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find app management. Then let's go to app list right here and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Then tap on Reset App Preferences, and here our device is informing us what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.